Hey guys, Cindy A. Lewis, and I want to wish you all a happy Memorial Day. I'm going to do a very quick craft that you can use for today for your celebrations, which if you are trying to get that done, you may not have time to put it together, but you can also use it for your July 4th celebration, and then I'll show you my table that I set up. So excited about it. It's not really done, but it's going to be what it is today, and then I can add to it for the 4th holiday. Okay, so what you need is, I'm going to make a USA out of Dollar Tree frames with some paper in the background and some letters that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby on clearance. These are 4-inch letters, and it's going to be in a 5x7 frame. And I may use this matte on the frame. I think that might look good. And then I have this paper that I picked up last year when I was doing a lot of things for my junk journal that I made last year. And then have some little pieces left I may put on the frame just to add a little bit. But it's really super simple. You pick your paper for the background, then you put your letters and glue them on. And then if you want anything on the frame, you just add that to it. It's as simple as that. That's why I say you could even do it today. So you'll need some glue, you'll need your trimmer to trim to the frame size, and then you'll need your paper and letters. You can also use a stencil to draw out your letters and just cut them out if you don't have the letters that you want. So it's really, really super simple, and let's get to it. Okay, so you have your letters and you have your paper. You're going to glue your letters on here. You want to get them in the center, and then you're going to put them inside your frame. Now, I just want to see what it's going to look like before I actually glue it down. I want to make sure that it looks nice. And when I get that glued down, it's going to look really good. And I love the white around it, so perfect. So I'm going to glue these down and put them in the frame. Okay, I decided that I like these just the way they are, and I'm not going to add any embellishments to it. I like it just clean like this. And so we're going to go put them on my table, and you can see my setting for today. You can see here are the USA that we just did and framed. It looks so pretty. You can change it up. You can reuse the frames. You can do whatever you want. I mean, you can make it even more sparkly if you like sparkle. These are candles holders that I did last year. I'll see if the video is still up and post that for you down below. These are also from the Dollar Tree. So much of this from the Dollar Tree, and they're just the stars with the tea lights in them. I didn't like them, and I didn't like the candles yet. So, and then these are also little buckets from the Dollar Tree with the little Dollar Tree stars. They're necklaces actually, but I use them to decorate. And this is a chalkboard that I just had, and I added a little Dollar Tree star off of one of the headbands they had last year. You can see in the background all my kitty stuff. Anyway, and then I just wrote Happy Memorial Day on that. I'm just remembering my uncles. These are my great uncles. Sorry about the glare from the window, but these are my great uncles, and then you've got glare for me too, so sorry about that. And then this is my Uncle Harry and Kevin, my husband's uncle, Herman. So we honor all of those that have served, and some that are still living and some that are no longer with us. And then this was from Hobby Lobby that I picked up the other day. I didn't show it in my haul because we want to use it and haven't filmed my haul yet. So anyway, happy Memorial Day. I hope you enjoyed this video.